Hi friends, today we will see about the liver functions, liver and its function, symptom and treatment related with the liver functions, liver. So, yes, liver, the functions of liver, what will be the functions? The most essential part of our body is liver, which does a major role in our digestive system. The bile secretion is one among the major part of the liver. It secretes the bilirubin, which is most essential in our digestion system and many things in our blood. It is also the reason for this excretion and product of bilirubin content, cholesterol and hormones and drugs. It also plays a major role in metabolism of fats, proteins and carbohydrates. The enzyme activations are also the most important factor of this liver. Storage of glycogen, vitamins and minerals, also the most important function of this liver. Synthesis of plasma proteins such as albumin and clotting factors. The most important but not the least one is the immune activity is also the most important function of the liver. Yes, the symptoms. What will be the problems faced after getting into this liver issues? We will first get into this digestive problem. We couldn't digest the food properly, nausea, vomiting, regurgitations, flatulence, and more abdominal pain, especially on the lower side of the abdomen, below the rib cage. So in this condition, we can easily identify what will be the problems which is given by this liver. Secondly, by this way, we are our body is getting tired. So the best example where we can get is this tiredness. This tiredness means the fatigue, which the main complaint of this liver. People may feel more extremely tired, and even in the normal condition also, the people will be looking having the food properly, but they couldn't digest it properly, by which that enzymes are not taken into the stream. By this way also we can identify the problems. Second thing, after the getting into this level, we tell as a excretion part of the motion, where we can feel the urine and the stool colors will be changed, as there may be some leakage of blood also inside that. So the color may be in tarry, dark brown, dark yellowish colors. Like in this condition, the color of the stools may change. And regarding the next level is the bleeding of internal bleeding. The most important problem is the internal part of our body gets bleeded, by which we can identify the outcome of the blood also in our stools also. And this bleeding will be a longer time also, because the clotting factor is also affected by this improper liver functions. The clotting factor, if affected, it will leads to this improper clotting of the blood is not taking place properly. And in males, related with this, males, it also plays a major role in hormones. In regards with male, the erectile dysfunctions and the gynecomastia and all these conditions, like larger breast also may develop in this condition, and small testes and sexual dysfunction also felt in this condition. Next we go to this normal blood. The fluids which the accumulation of fluid will take place in this body in unwanted places of our body, which leads to this swelling of these abdomen, lower limbs, face and everywhere, which we can identify as ascites condition called. So it is the next level which is to be taken care in a higher manner. And last but not least, this yellowish colors of skin, nails, eyes, and everywhere. We can easily find these conditions of this. And skin, the most important is skin will have the itchy sensations of skin. Not only the color changes, it also have some itchy things in our skin areas. Apart from that, the ammonia which is getting improperly stored in this liver problems will create some nuisance in our mind related issues. The confusions, stress related, everything will be there, and forgetfulness, all these things will be there, which we tell it as the confused state of mind, or it may if this condition worsens, we may the patient may also go to this coma conditions. Yes, and this will be the symptoms which we feel in our liver because of this liver issues. Apart from that, next we will go to this types of liver disease. We can easily category two types of liver disease. One is the alcoholic based and non-alcoholic based. We don't want to think that everybody who is having the liver will have the habit of taking alcohol. No, not like that. Even non-alcoholic people also will get into this liver functions, because whatever we eat nowadays, these junk foods and packed foods have got some unwanted material, the most irritating toxic levels into our stomach, which will have deposit in the liver areas, which will lead to this condition of liver problems. Non-alcoholic and alcohol. The non-alcoholic condition is this one. And alcoholic, yes, whenever a person takes more alcohol, will lead to this kind of issues of liver problems, improper digestion, and also maybe leading to liver cirrhosis and all. And types of disease when compared to this, where next level is jaundice. Everyone is common among in this condition of jaundice condition, where we have bloatings, belchings, improper digestion, tiredness, everything will be felt on this jaundice condition, and yellowish discolorations that we discussed already. And is also the most important problem of this jaundice. And even improper excretory also is taking place, and severe constipation will also happen in this condition. And next level is the cirrhosis of liver. And we have another group of virus which is affecting our body is hepatitis A, B, C, D and E viruses. But this D and E will be very rare phenomenon, but very commonly is vitamin B, hepatitis B virus. Hepatitis B virus is very common among the many Indians right now. These days we are getting into this. And the most important aspect is we want to don't have any stress on our body. Whenever the stress is increased, it will also affect and surely affect our stomach region, where we have to face many problems in this condition. Whenever our stress levels increases, it will affect the system of digestion. We have a very broader aspect of our Ayurveda telling ama, which is improper digestion. This ama, we can very shortly they will tell us ama chikitsa. This is the most important factor of this Ayurvedic treatment. We classify in Ayurveda ama as Ushmano alpabalatvena dhatu madhyam apachitam dushtam amashegatam rasam amam prachakshate. That means whenever the improper digestive material enters the stomach and it has been distributed, and it will create all sort of diseases in our body. Even a person will have a severe knee problem also when this ama is created. So whenever there is a problem with digestion, we will have to face all sort of problems in our body related with digestion. Ayurveda also emphasizes this ojas, the immune system of our body, which we can compare to the normal nowadays immune system, ojas. The ojas being secreted by this liver only. which we compare it as WBCs and all this, the vital fighting factor of our body. So, fighting factor of body. In relation with treatment aspect of this liver, we will first find the water therapy is the best therapy. How to detoxify the liver? The most important question everyone arises is how to detoxify, sir. That is the most important question. The water will be the best friend of we should make the water friendly, so by which this fatty liver and many things are being cured. How much amount of water to be taken? Minimum 1.5 liters is best to have, and more than 2.5 liters and nearly 2.5 liters is also good per day. And you can take it as a granted maximum of 3 liters, not more than that, because our body has a tendency to limitations only. Everything under the limitations will have very good results. So, in relation with next level of water therapy is Langana therapy. We can also have very less amount of food, don't have food at all. Instead, we can have more amount of water. And this Avla juice and all are very effective in these conditions. Avla juice, not only Avla, we can also add some curry leaves, pudin leaves and coriander leaves, and add some pepper, salt to it. The salt may be the Lavana Bhaskara. In Ayurveda, we tell as Lavana Bhaskara. It is available in the markets also. So we can get that Lavana Bhaskara and add to that. So that will take care of our digestive enzymes, by which this the toxins are relieved from the body. Liver is getting flushed out. The flushing out of this unwanted materials, all these things which we take as external factors of food and all, which will be stored in this liver, will get flushed out. It is said to be the detoxifying aspect. So this most important is taking this amlaki and all these things. Apart from that, the best aspect of Ayurveda, we tell it as purgation, the Virechana therapy, giving more amount of some sort of medicines to eliminate the unwanted materials from our body through the purgation, loose motions and all, for which the Triphala will work as a wonderful magical medicine. Night we can take 1 teaspoon of Triphala regularly, or on the particular day, which we follow the Langana and water therapy and all, the whole day we can take, and at the last we can take also this Triphala. All the before day also you can have this Triphala. Triphala will have wonderful results in our body. So next is the lemon water. The lemon will have very good results in eliminating the unwanted materials from the liver. When we take a half tumbler to 1 tumbler of water, then we can have some few drops of lemon juice, like 1 or 2 teaspoons. That will flush out the unwanted material from the body. Eating the healthy food. What will be the healthy food? Means all sort of sattvic foods are very good for our body. Whenever we take more amount of sattvic foods, then it will be very much effective to maintain our mind, also the body. The sattvic foods, it comprises of all vegetarians. Not sattvic means we don't have to have more amount of non-veg, or don't have at all. Alcohol, without alcohol and without non-veg is sattvic foods. So whenever we take more amount of sattvic vegetables, beetroot, carrot, all sort of fiber content, little bit of proteins, because proteins cannot get digested easily in our liver. So it is there is a problem. So we should take limited amount of proteins only. The green leafy vegetables, all sort of fiber content like plantain stem, beans, carrot, beetroot, and everything. So that will be very much effective. Even the radish, the red radish is also very good. So we can have that much amount of vegetables, which is very good to our body. Regular exercise, that plays a major role. whenever we do our exercise like super brain yoga and all these things, no, that also will have very good results in our to flush out the unwanted material from our liver. And proper sleep, we should sleep by around 10 p.m. to morning 4 to 5 a.m. That will be the pitta predominant time. So we Ayurveda we classify as this liver as a pitta organ, pitta related to that. So whenever we have more amount of sleep, that will flush out that itself. We don't want to go for medicines and many things whatever said earlier. If you have very good sleep at least for 6 to 7 hours, will 100% give you the result of your good liver. We don't want to have any doubt in that. And yoga and pranayama, which will have very effective results in this. Yogic postures are there, the mudras are there, where we can regularly practice and this yoga and pranayama methods. So we can also do this Sudarshana Kriya, art of living Sudarshana Kriya, which will be most effective in treating the liver functions to increase the amount of functions of our liver. Next is the massage. The massage will give you very good results on in eliminating the toxins of our body. Massage in sense oil massage with tilatel or with coconut oil. Tilatel is best. Whenever we tell no, tail means it is tilatel only. So that we heat that oil and apply it from top to end of toe of our body and do some massage. Massaging will improve the circulation. The liver, the most important factor of liver is the circulation also. The blood circulation is most important, by which the toxins are eliminated through this liver functions. Liver, gushing out of this liver. And sleeping, I have told, and maintaining the body weight will also have the very most effective aspect of liver. When we have more obesity, more than the weight needed to height and weight, age, everything plays a major role. When the weight increases, it also lead to this condition of liver issues. So this also to be maintained. And Sri Sri Ayurveda will have aspect of in treating liver cases. We have wonderful drugs with our Sri Sri Tattva. Shakti drops, the most magical drops, which we can take it as a 10 drops with warm water regularly, which will take care of our system of liver. It will enhance the power of digestion. So apart from that, we have Devavati. Devavati is the best detoxifier. Whenever we take more amount of unwanted materials like marriage food and many things, no, we go and take from outside and all, will create some nuisance to our body. We have, if we take daily one Devavati, apart from all the above, we have some medicines. Medicines will not have any side effects. Of Ayurveda will have very good results with our digestive system. Devavati plays a major role in that. We have, it has got Katuki and many things, and we have Pranada Gutika, which we tell as Quassia excelsa, which have a very wonderful drug in playing major role with the liver and all. Apart from that, Amrit, Yashtimadu, Neem, everything as a single drug therapy, we can take one tablets each daily in the morning time. Yes, the last but not the least, we have got Sudarshana Kriya as well as Sudarshana Vati. Vati is a tablet, so we can have Sudarshana, we can take Sudarshana Vati to take care of our liver, and also the Sudarshana Kriya can be done, art of living, the yogic procedures, no, the pranayama technique to be done regularly to maintain our health in this regards. Anything? Yes, we have some questions here. Yes, fatty liver, raw salt along with food. Start for digestion. Pepper is very good for our digestion. Amit Ojha, Mine is non-alcoholic fatty liver. Many are suffering from fatty livers, and I've said to take more amount of turmeric. Take one tablet of turmeric plus regularly. We have in Srishi Tattva, also in your food, and you can take this turmeric one or two, 3 pinches, maximum 3 pinches with warm water. Will have very good results. If you take regularly, it has got tremendous result in our non-alcoholic fatty livers. And the Bhumi Amalaki we tell as a nectar for this liver and jaundice cases, and also the fatty liver, first stage or second stage or third stage, whatever the stage it might be. And Ajay Tiwari, no, yes, I'm having fatty liver first stage. For fatty liver, many are questions with fatty liver. Jai Gurudev. Many. Anyone comments here? Yes, we have commented fatty liver. More questions on fatty liver. About diabetes, doctors are here with more topics. Yes, migraine, most important aspect of liver is also a migraine. So reason we should find out what is the reason, how to deal with migraine, severe headache due to high pitta. Yes, we can take pitta balance. We have pitta balance with Srishi Tattva. It will have very good results. Consult with our doctor, Kanya Ratna. It has got tremendous result on our headache and all sort of pitta janita rogas. Yes, Livon has got tremendous result. We have given plenty. We have given good result on Livon. Yes, I forgot that. Salt intake. Lavana Bhaskara and rock salt is very good. Please, and the advice on salt intake is rock salt is very good. We have in Srishi Tattva also. Chapati have and weight loss, that can have, it is all mind related. When we take food, rice means we may go for higher quantity. If you go for chapatis, it will have number of chapatis like 3 or 2. So it will have, some people will have. Can we drink milk after dinner at night? Yes. Shesha Kumar Tiwari. Yes, we can have milk after our dinner. Let it be, the milk should be very thin, not the thick milk. Whatever you take in our food means it should be very thin, not in a higher consistency, thick in consistency. We can add haldi or pepper to it, the turmeric and pepper and mishri, jaggery. Don't ever take white sugar at all. White sugar will kill our immune system more than 4 hours. If you take 1 teaspoon, Guruji emphasizes on this. Shri Ravishankarji emphasizes on this much more in all his topics of Ayurveda and health and in immune system. Though don't ever take yes, shivering of hand. We can, Vijay Lakshmi, you can discuss with our panel of doctors when they come to your places, and you share your location. You can get the details of the doctor. Shivering of head and hand, I don't understand. Can we drink? Okay. Which mudras? Yes, doctors can give you more. For any ailments, you can go for Maha Mudras. That will be most effective. I have fatty liver acidic solution, please. கைகளில் விருப்பு இருக்கிறது. I think you are asking for numbness. Yes, maybe the blood circulation is not proper. You can have ashwagandha also, and some turmeric plus will take care of these conditions. The ashwagandha will take care of the blood circulation. Suggest any medicine for lifestyle for reversal. Yes, lifestyle. Do some pranayama regularly, yoga and super brain yoga also you can do regularly. And night sleep is most important. When you talk about the lifestyle, many people are suffering by these conditions because of improper sleep. Nowadays Nowadays, many people are not sleeping properly during this lockdown and all. More stress has felt, and they see mobiles, they watch movies in the night, and they don't go to the sleep. They have financial issues. A proper sleep will have 100%. The lifestyle means, I can tell you only one this. Leave about alcohol. Alcohol will create some nuisance. I don't want to talk about it. When you go in alcohol, it will have surely. Apart from that, lifestyle, we can talk about this only. Weight lose medicine in Ayurveda. We have Ancholine, and consult with the doctor. So by which also this fatty liver will also be taken care. Jyoti Kumar Chauhanji. Lack of appetite, my son Kiran Garodia. Yes, take some 1 or 2 teaspoons of jeera, pepper, and dry ginger and all. Dry ginger, sukku vital, dry ginger. Make it a powder. Add some salt to it and make a powder of it. 1 teaspoon of this combination to be put on hot, warm food, the rice. Mix it and add some 1 drop of ghee. Ghee is the most important aspect in our Ayurveda, because Ayurveda emphasizes on digestion, no, which I tell that digestion is being increased by this ghee only. So you can give this combination, and you can, the appetite of this 11 years guy, and anyone can have a good appetite after taking this combination. And you can take this granted, take 2 amlas, this pudina leaf, coriander leaf, and curry leaf. Make a grind it completely, add some pepper, salt, jeera, turmeric and all, and make a juice out of it. Add with half tumbler of warm water. Give it regularly in the morning time, like 11 o'clock. That will improve his good pitta, which is digestive enzymes will be secreted in a higher manner. Good medicine for a good heart health. Arjuna is very good, and the flaxseed oil is also playing a major role in good heart. And wheat brand capsule oil, yes, we have in Sri Sri Tattva, that will be very much effective in taking this heart medicines. No, these two will take off the good health related with heart. Arjuna, flaxseed, wheat germ oil capsule, daily each 1 tablet will have very good heart. அடிக்கடி தும்மல் வருகிறது மருந்து. பாலில் வந்து மஞ்சளும் பூண்டும் நல்லா வேக வைத்து you can have that. Ramasamy Subramanian. You can text me in private so that I can tell you in Tamil also. And pepper, haldi, turmeric, and garlic. Put it in milk. Allow it to boil and regularly take that medicine. Apart from that, we have Pratishyaya Haravati, which is very effective in controlling this sneezing and all. That will be most effective. And you can have Shakti drops also early in the morning. I think this sneezing will be coming in the early morning, so you can have this one. So take more amount of water. Don't have stress. We have more amount of stress. We don't have need one to go and get that. We are getting more amount of stress nowadays, financially, lockdowns and everything. Yes, burps. Karala Jamun food supplement when to be taken. Karala Jamun can be taken early in the morning, 30 ml, like a 15 ml as a maintenance dose, and 30 ml if the conditions are very high, sugar levels are very high, improper, no, like that. You can have in early in the morning 30 ml with warm water, or directly also. You can take directly that and have some warm water. Pain in foot and heaviness, can you suggest? And pain. Okay, we have panel of doctors to discuss many things. Catch you later. Thank you for joining.